Top 5 Rubik's Cube pattern of all times. Welcome everyone, this is the problem solver guy, and today I'll show you the top 5 Rubik's Cube pattern. The last one is my favorite one. Okay, so keep watching this video. Number 1, the checkerboard pattern. Okay, it's the most easiest pattern out here. You just have to do you can hold this cube anywhere you like, and you just have to do M2 this way, then do E2 this way, and do S2. Okay, so now you can see out here the checkerboard pattern. It's really easy, just 3 moves: M2, E2 and S2, and you can make this 3x3 Rubik's Cube this cool. Okay, now the next pattern is the perpendicular lines pattern. So you have to bring the Rubik's Cube back in this form. If you do not know how to solve this 3x3 Rubik's Cube this way, you can always go to the link on the description so that you can watch my video on how to solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, now the perpendicular lines, it's really easy. Okay, so you can hold this Rubik's Cube anywhere you like and just do R2, U2, L2. Okay, again R2, U2, L2. When you just did 2 times, now just look out here. This is the perpendicular lines pattern. Okay, so you can see this pattern. It's so beautiful pattern out here. Now the next one is the see you around pattern. Okay, again you have to go and solve this Rubik's Cube to its to the solution. Okay, that is okay. So now we solve this. Now let's begin our see you around pattern. Okay, for that you have to do U prime, then B2, U, L2, D, L2 again, R2, D prime, B prime, R, D prime, L, R prime, B2, U2, F prime, L prime, U prime. Now if you look at this pattern, you can see out here it looks like C out here. Okay, so this is C, you can call it U also. Okay, so you can see this is the CU pattern, CU pattern. Okay, C, and you can see U. C, you can do this C, you can do U, again C, U, CU pattern. This is the CU pattern. It's also pretty easy. Now the next one will be the gift box pattern. Okay, now in order to solve the gift box pattern, again you solve this Rubik's Cube this way and follow along. Okay, so let's get started. The gift box pattern: U, B2, R2, again B2, L2, F2, R2, D prime, F2 again, L2, B, F prime, L, F2, D, U prime, R2, F prime, L prime, and last but not the least R prime. Okay, so now this is the gift box pattern which you can see. Okay, so it's similar to perpendicular lines pattern, but this is called the gift box pattern. And now the last one, but the one that I love, that is the wire pattern. Okay, so this is really awesome. So let's get started. First let's go and solve this Rubik's Cube once again. Okay, now finally the wire pattern. Let's get started. So let's just follow along. Okay, so R, L, F, B, R again, L, F, B, R, L F B. Now R2 B2 L2 R2 B2 L2. Now this is the wire pattern. Okay, so you can see out here, you start from here. Okay, so wire pattern, it continues to go wire. So this is the best pattern which I like. Okay, so you can see it goes along all this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Now in order to get more videos, in order to get more tips and tricks on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, the faster way to solve all these beautiful patterns, just do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and please do not forget to leave a comment on this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one, the problem solver guy. Bye bye.